The subject of this video is the GDL82 system software loading and updating process. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to use the GDL8X install tool to install and update system software and firmware for the GDL82. If you have not installed this software, you should view a separate video in this series entitled GDL82 Install Tool. That video covers where to obtain the GDL8X install tool installation file, as well as how to install it on your computer. Remember, the information in this video never replaces or supersedes information and procedures shown in the GDL82 install manual. Before we begin, we want to make sure that the GDL82 is not receiving power, so check the aircraft's master switch to ensure it's in the off position. Then we'll use the USB-A to USB-B interface cable to connect our laptop computer to the connector cable that's attached to the GDL82. Now we can apply power to the GDL82 and then start up the GDL8X install tool on our computer. You'll see a GDL8X install tool selection window appear on the desktop. In that, you will select the GDL82 button. After selecting the unit type, a larger install tool window will show up on the screen of your computer. In the left-hand column, you'll see a System Update section, and under the header is the word Upload. Click on Upload to go to the Software Upload Information page. While the GDL82 comes preloaded with software, it's still necessary to verify the software version and part numbers that are installed and that are current. This is done by viewing the Unit Information page to determine the currently installed file versions and part numbers for System, FPGA, and GPS. Check these version numbers against those listed for the device on the Garmin Dealer Resource Center and download new files from flygarmin.com if required. While you may not need to download and install new files during the initial installation, it may become necessary in the future. Garmin dealers will receive notification through a software update memo if an update is available. If in the future it becomes necessary to perform an update, the process for uploading the new files to the GDL82 is also on the Software Upload Information page. Step 1 of the update process is to select a file, which is done with the Browse button. Browse to the location where you saved the downloaded file on your computer and click on the file. Step 2 of the upload process involves selecting the regions to upload. This is not a geographical reference. It involves selecting to upload the system, FPGA, and GPS regions of the files you downloaded. Compare the version numbers in the In File section with the version numbers in the On Unit section and place a check mark in the blocks under In File for any region that needs an update. Next, press the Upload Selected Region button. Once the upload finishes, view the line or lines of software that are loaded to verify they match. Congratulations! You've now become familiar with software loading procedures related to the GDL82. This concludes the demonstration of the GDL82 install tool software loading procedure. Please stay tuned for more helpful GDL82 videos as they become available. Thanks for watching and buying Garmin.